Morning. Today, Business Standard news reading by Channakeshwar Reddy, social activist, and all all papers reading. Now, this is the business share market paper. Now, present Sensex 38,417.2, change 60.1, Nifty 11,355.0, 21.2, Nifty futures 11,365.9, 10.9, dollar 73.4, 73.1, euro 86.9, 86.6, Brent crude 40.9, 41.3, gold 10 grams 581487. September premium of Nifty spot previous close over previous close at 9 p.m. IST. 26 sectors identified for restriction. Now this Capital Life partially back on the track. India successfully tests hypersonic vehicles. ED arrest Deepak Kochhar in money laundering case. Delhi HC asks SpaceJet to deposit 243 crores. Now, consumer sentiment is indexed, the CMIE tracker, unemployed rates on the job, 21 million salarized jobs lost. Salarized class pure C informal workers fire pension money, trend in pension contribution, simplifying cloud communications. This is the advertisement. Now ITC way up all alternative structure for its hotels business. IT firms look to change stock mix by hiring more freshers. The stocks National Aluminium and Great Eastern Shipping, Goodyear India, Price Coal, Jubilant Life Science. Now presents this is the up down. We are never say of increasing traffic. ITC is the full coverage of this matter. Trips, bottoms, line highlights. Next, SBI Invec personal guarantees of Bhushanam Power promoters. Share transfer dispute, Delhi HE asks SpaceJet to deposit 243 crores. Vodafone Idea Limited. Now present total, see that matter. A year on center SC retail plan remains a non-starters. If you think banning apps will work, then good luck. FTS treats merchants exporter who holds export holder orders as third party. Next, South India Bank, a new MD and CEO. PNB facilities teachers of Vedic curriculum. PNB Vocation of Teachers Day. Financial results of NLCL for the quarter ended 30/6/2020. Repco Home Finance reports 34% sequential jump in profits. Indian Bank, Indians overseas. Now, learning on tap. Now, presents. Now, leverage on the features for Ayodhya Mosque. Now, this is a member of trust asked life on the metro after 5 month halt. City. Silence of the city from the deserted lines of old Delhi. Now, G1 Scientific Technology Limited, Virat Crane Industries, Kallam Textiles Limited, Jivari Global Limited, advertise, Boda Idea Salaries Mix, Healthcare Institute Limited, PM calls for max flexibility in NEP implementation, Congress to release up manifesto 6 months before polls. Now, business standard, uneasy about ranking, a silver lining, a banker AI view of rural India, Robin Hood of the art world low 4. This is the 9 pages over. Next, another 2 pages is there. Dabba trading could make a comeback. New margin norms may be spare a parallel market where trades are done on exchanges but settled off market. Market rally may be hit false button on raising bond yield. Indices end slightly higher on global close. Oil price falls after Saudi cuts rates. Happiest minds goes public. Subscribes 3 times on the day one. Stock picking has become interesting in those times. Strong order book offers lifeline to Jubilant Life Science. D rating risk puts page. Now, HDFC the Goliath among divides. All-time valuations compelling ability to raise cheap funds on advertisement over shares. Now, all cargo slates 4% as a delisting prices disappointment. News. Now, LG Rubber Company Limited. Now, this is one of the advertisement business at your fingertips. Business standard insight out. Now is volatility. Share market is today volatility. Now frontline stocks you must purchase the increase the next coming days. Increase the rate price is upper circuit going. Now COVID trigger, Lehman falls out. After 2008, risk-free rate in the India had declined more 10 years band. Risk-free rate in US has fallen more than that India in 2020. So for 20 years band. Strong order book offers lifeline in Jubilant. Now, Jubilant Life Sciences shed 6% on the processes after reporting noted June quarter's results and valuation concerned following the recent rally. Prior to Monday correction, the stock had gained over 46% in 3 months. Namaste. Now present is the end of the news. Please subscribe my channel.